Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and as you guys can see by the title, this video is gonna be a what's on my iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now, I did tell you guys in my unboxing video of my new phone that I would do a what's on my phone video. So here we go. I'm gonna show you all the nonsense as far as apps that I have on my phone. So let's jump into the video. All right, so as y'all see, I'm screen recording. My phone is always on Do Not Disturb. The only people that can contact me, I have it set up for my favorites, so the people on my favorites can get through. But this first little section is like my social media. So I have my Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook Messenger, LinkedIn, then I have the Facebook app, the Facebook creator app, which I don't really use, so I actually need to delete. I need to delete that. Then I have StyleSeed, Octoly, Twitter, Command. Command is this app that shows you like when you get a new follower, like how many followers you get in a day and all that stuff on Instagram. And as y'all can see, it shows you when it's best to post. So like today is according to my time is Sunday. So the best time for me to post on Instagram on Sunday is between 3 p.m. and 4 p.m. So this app has definitely been a little helpful. Then you have the Pattern app, which y'all know the Pattern app, they be reading the heck out of you. And then the Co-Star app has to do with your zodiac sign, your sun, your moon, all that stuff. So I like that app. Okay, then I have the AT&T app, my AT&T, so check my phone bill and all that crap that I don't like to check. And then I have the finance section, where it has Cash App and all that stuff. And then it has the old Ebates. If you're familiar with Ebates, that's where you can get cash back when you buy at certain stores. You go through the new Ebates and whatever you purchase, you can get cash back. Then I have the health section. I have my insurances, then the European Wax Center. I cannot wait to book an appointment because I had an appointment before all this stuff was going on, before everything shut down. Then I have my YouTube section. I have the YouTube app, the YouTube Studio app, Documents. Documents is just something that I use when I download my videos to make a clip out of it. Then I have iMovie. I don't really use iMovie on my phone, so I really don't need it on here. Then I have Canva, PicMonkey, which I use for my thumbnails, Snapseed, which I use to help edit my pictures, PhotoGrid, also use that for my thumbnails. The Quick app is what I use for the short video clips. Then Beauty Plus, Facetune, Perfect 365. Those are some more editing apps for pictures. Right here is not really important. I have, Google Duo, Zoom, WhatsApp. Then I have music, Amazon Music, Amazon Alexa, podcasts. Then here I have travel. I have the hotels that I usually, go to: Hilton, Marriott, Hyatt, Holiday Inn. Then I have the Lyft app, Avis Rental, Uber, Google Maps is in here. Flixbus, I just downloaded it. I don't use it, so I need to get rid of that. Southwest, American Airlines. Then I have the Pip Your Screen app. So this has like a bunch of different, it's not working right now. But it shows you like a bunch of different backgrounds that you can save, like for your phone. So I like that because I like to switch up. And then I have the USPS mobile app. If you guys are not familiar with that, they have it to where you can see like what's gonna be in your mailbox that day. So that's cool. In this folder, I put everything in this folder, my contacts. I don't really go to the contacts app, but I have everything in here. Then I have the Bitmoji app. Health, I track my period. I'm sure y'all like, why do you have 3 different ones? I have 3 different ones because one app might say something different when my period is coming, and I just like to keep track. So sometimes these apps are not accurate. Then I have the influencer app, then entertainment, Hulu, Netflix, Disney Plus, BET Plus, beauty, Ulta, Sephora app. I have the followers apps. Don't ask me why I have those, but I have those. Then here I have food because I'm greedy. So I don't really use the Whataburger or Chick-fil-A app. I just downloaded Grubhub. The most that I use is Uber Eats, and I was using Wingstop app because delivery was free, but now they took away free delivery. So DoorDash, Panda Express, Chipotle, Starbucks, the Yelp app. Then here, Amazon, Fashion Nova, Shein, Shop, which is the new Arrive app that shows you when your packages are coming. I have the Monkey app because I've been meaning to do a video using that, and I haven't done it yet. The Airbnb app, TikTok. I don't use it. I just like to watch some people's videos, but I've deleted it on and off. Prime, a video app right now because I've been watching that. Klarna app, which is kind of like Afterpay, so I use that with Shein. And then Google Photos, I recently downloaded because I needed to back up my photos from my old phone because my phone, my iPhone X will not connect to my computer anymore. So I needed to back up my pictures somewhere, the rest of my pictures. So I use Google Photos. So I highly suggest that y'all use Google Photos, okay? But that is it. All the unnecessary stuff on my phone. This is a new phone, so I don't have like a whole bunch of pictures in here and stuff yet. But yeah, I kind of like watching these type of videos because I like to see what everybody has on their phone. Like, I don't know, it's just kind of like interesting, you know? Like that, these type of videos and like unboxing videos is just so interesting to watch. So I said, what the heck, let me go ahead and do it too, okay? But anywho, that is it for this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, of course. Make sure you share this video with your family and your friends. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. And if you have not subscribed yet, then click on that subscribe button, as well as post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.